Hello guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time you're coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Are you looking for the place to buy original ingredients for your skincare, or you want to buy cosmetic products for your skincare, or anything you want to buy regards this recipe for making creams or soaps, how we'll put it, whatever, how you know you can put it, but they are just basically for skincare, for the skin. All right, I can tell you that you can have them from us, original. Yes, you can have them from us, from Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. You can check us on YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're all around. And don't forget, I want to make you understand that we ship everywhere. Okay, it's been a while. I actually dropped DIY, or I dropped review regards to the nature of my business. So Bukola, I understand that, but not just for you alone, but everybody. I'm dropping this now, so that's one reason we want to talk about the same product I've talked about some years ago, which is about 2 years back, which is no other thing than Piment does. Okay, this Piment does, a lot of people, they believe that the one that is packed is original, while the one that is outside the pack, which is not packed in that little pack they used to put it, that one is fake. That is what you believe. Not at all. Okay, not at all. I just want you to understand this, that the one that is packed, that one is the serum, while the one that is not packed is the lotion, which is another word, like a cleanser or thereabout. Okay, you should be always sure. Don't just condemn. They didn't pay me anything to talk about it, or go and defend us. No, that this one is not working, that one is working, this one is in a pack, that one is not in a pack. No, Piment does is always Piment does. Only if you get the wrong one, it's just you got the wrong one. All right, other than that, it works effectively. Now, but I want to make you understand how you can use it. For those of us who have these dark knuckles, who have dark hand on dark feet, and how you can use it, I just want to open this to you, and believe you me, it's not because I'm trying to buy your mind. No. Everybody talk about Piment does the way they feel, they think they know it, the base of the knowledge, what they know, all right? Because I believe somehow, somewhere, they must have really learned something about Piment does, all right? But in as much you didn't get it right because you've listened to them and you go, what, after the taught you, it didn't work that way. So you have to follow my own way, how you can use it to clear your knuckles, how you can use it. Yeah, I can remember vividly that I used to have knuckles deeply. I used to have knuckles as well. Even my back, I used to have dark spot. I just believe on result. That's what we do. I love experiment. And I use myself experiment. If I want to do a new cream, trust me, I will use myself as an experiment. I'm not part of those people who talk they don't use their product. I use my own product, and that is why I always tell you about how you go about it. All right. So in a quick one, so then I was having this knuckle. I said, okay, how will I do this? How will I do this? It was really confusing. So I got the Piment does. I got this one, the both of them. I got this one, both of them, and I mix it together. When I mix it together, and I add some glowing oil on it, all right, and I also add some what is it called, vitamin E on it. So after that, I mix it. So in other words, you pick the Piment does, both of them, and mix them together. All right. Now put some oil to prevent or any side effect, put vitamin E on it. All right. So excuse me when you put vitamin. I did not bleaching. We're trying to deal with this now. All right, because it's very, very strong, and a lot of people, they don't know it's strong. Some people, they just commonize it and try to go look for other bleaching items, to cure knuckles, to treat your knuckles. It doesn't work that way. Who told you that? All right, in as much that you'll be using it before, this is how it's gonna work for you. Take the two together. All right. Then after you scrub properly, scrub this dark area on your feet, all right, on your hands that are dark. After you scrub, then you use both of them. You must put the oil on it, all right? Put the oil on it. then you mix, and after that you'll be using. The reason why most time it doesn't work when you put it on your lotion, do you know that why Piment does it? Is because the percentage of the lotion, which is your cream you're producing, is more than, it's not, there's not two ways about it. All these things they do with numbers. All right, everything do with numbers, because that's why you have to know in percentage how whatever you're working, like whatever you're want to produce. Okay, so if you take like 1% of the Piment does, how many percent of the lotion you're gonna put, you should know about that. So let me not deviate, let's go back to what I was saying. All right, so you take both of them, put the vitamin E oil, then you use to rub after scrub, morning, evening. After when your knuckle has cleared, then you zoom off, you leave it. All right, so that is just the only way you can treat your knuckle. Are you looking for the place to buy original ingredients for your skincare, or you want to buy cosmetic products for your skincare, or anything you want to buy regards this recipe for making creams or soaps, how we'll put it, whatever, how you can put it, but they are just basically for skincare, for the skin. All right, I can tell you that you can have them from us, original. Yes, you can have them from us, from Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. You can check us on YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're all around. And don't forget, I want to make you understand that we ship everywhere.